You know, sometimes I'm really not in a good mood and I just don't feel to make videos or any content, but I'm still trying to keep up with, on Facebook. So you have many suggestions, and sometimes I feel like you don't even need me. You know what I will watch, but then no, I feel again they need me. I must show them this is good, watch this, try to see this, and so on. And let me explain this scientifically what is happening. So, it's a graph. What else did you expect? And it's really simple. That is my mood, and it's either good or bad, indifferently good, indifferently bad. And in the time of the summer, I'm usually feeling pretty good, but then when winter comes, I need to go from library to the cultural center, and again to library, and so on, I'm not really happy. So it's not about you, it's about me and my lifestyle. But yes, then in winter it became better. But now that I have you and you're making good content, I can come